Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we have another good box. 2 in a row? Well, I mean, we'll see what's in it, but in general I like this one. Let's see what we're looking at. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes. This is the Ultimate Magic Box for $119, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, so it's gonna be nice having 2 good boxes in a row. If I don't die. I got it. Ooh, there it is. Ready? Alright. First, of course, we've got the spoiler sheet. Not going to look at that yet, because that tells you exactly what's in the box. We've got some cute confetti in here. And a little 2020. Little Bibbidi sticker. Alright. Oh, the camera. Alright, so let's dive in. Oh, that's the microphone. Did you hear that? Alright. First things first. Ooh, I see something Haunted Mansion. But we're going to start with whatever this is. It feels like a coffee mug. Oh! That's super cute. It's like a little pot for a plant. Look at the back. That is super cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't know if you can... Hello? Oh, there it is. Very nice. $22.99 in the parks. I have not seen that one. But Flower and Garden 2020. That's why I haven't seen it, because it's brand new. And, you know, that festival never, like, happened or whatever. I will definitely use that. Did I already say that? I'm gonna use it. I dig it. Starting out very well. Alright. Looks like something for Mary. Loungefly. Oh. Alright, so we've got a little wallet. Got Mickey getting squished by a horseshoe. Very cute. Much smaller than the normal ones, but holds a lot of cards. It's a different style. I like it. Very cute. Did I say cute a lot in this video? Sometimes things are just cute. That does not have a price tag on it, but I'm sure it is in the spoiler sheet, so I will tell you in a bit. Alright. What? Do I have 2 of the same thing? Well, let's start with this one. So it's... I almost said cute. It is a fantastic keychain that says, "I'll be your Minnie." I'll put a better picture. Boop. So I'm assuming... At first I thought maybe they just by mistake put 2 in one package, but I would guess that this one says, "I'll be your Mickey." Very nice. I'm stuck on cute. Well, you know, sometimes you just... Alright, so I'll put them actually both together in the photo box so you can check those out. Those are mint colored. And I'll tell you how much that is in a minute. All right. We have got a red box in here, and we have got a Haunted Mansion box. We're going to start with the Haunted Mansion box. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, it's a door knocker! Try me. You bet I will. Come on now! I'm putting that on my door. I don't care. Ages 3 and up. Come on. One more time. That's awesome. That is $25 in the park. Motion activated. Oh, it's getting even better. All right. I love all things Haunted Mansion. All right, then it looks like our final Jim Shore time. Snappers broke today. It's a little Dumbo. How cute is he? There it is again. How handsome is he? Look at that. I'll put a better picture on the turntable. Boop. Take a look at that. Very nice. Very good box. I dig everything in here. And Mary's standing behind the camera and she does too. So yeah, good things. All right, so let's see how we did value-wise again. So this is $119, and like $6 shipping, so $125 or so, give or take. So I will put a copy of this, boop, right there. So total value, as you can see, is $125.96. So we gained $1. So here's the thing. The point of a subscription box is to have some surprises, to find merch you generally, you might not find on your own, like, Jim Shore's. We seriously collect Jim Shore now. I never paid attention to them whatsoever in the park, and now it's one of our favorite things to collect. So, there are huge bonuses to subscription boxes, as long as you like what's in your box. Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, we like what's in our boxes 99% of the time. We like everything that's in there. So, like I said before, I wish they had a little bit more value in their boxes. Another subscription company, Magic at Your Door, has generally like $20 or $25 more than you paid worth of value in the box, and I really appreciate that. Both of them are really good with preferences and making sure that you get things that they know you're going to like, and making sure you don't get duplicates. They pay attention to what they ship you so that they don't send you the same stuff twice. So, Bibbidi is definitely recommended, but no but. It's recommended. I like it. All right, if you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was actually a Magic at Your Door box. Take a look at that video right here, and if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, click the button right here. Hope you're having a great day.